How to change formation on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Premier League application on your device and then tap on the Fantasy option from the bottom of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the pick team option you see there, and in this particular interface you will be able to view your team. So in order to change your formation, simply go ahead and tap on the player and then move them. So for instance, if I want only 2 strikers in my squad and 4 midfielders, then what I can do is I will tap on any of the striker that I want to remove, and you will see the option for substitute. So tap on the substitute option you see there, and now from your substitution list, go ahead and select a midfielder itself and not a forward. And with this, as you can see, the formation has now been changed. As you can see, my formation has been changed to 4-4-2, and previously it was 4-3-3. So this is about how you can change formation on Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.